Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with perhaps our cutest unboxing video ever. Today we're looking at some products themed to the child, also known as Baby Yoda, from The Mandalorian, the Disney Plus Star Wars live action series. All of these products came to us from Scentsy. That's the best in-home flameless candle system around, and that includes a scent pack or a wax pack. This is kind of the traditional bread and butter of the brand. And then also in this collection, we're looking at the Baby Yoda Scentsy Buddy, a stuffed animal plush that you can put a scent pack inside. That's like a beaded pack of fragrance. I will start with the wax first because that's the item that's still available right now. You can pick this up, you can add it to any Scentsy order. And we do have a recommendation if you're looking for a Scentsy consultant. Her name's Trista. I'll put her information in the description below this video. But the artwork on the front is really great. The scent is called Air of Adventure, features the silhouette of the Mandalorian with the child in his hover pram, which is super adorable. Has a nice kind of earthy green wax, almost the flesh tone of Baby Yoda, the child. And the scent profile on this, it's very unique. It's got a little bit of mint, which you can definitely smell. Some bergamot, which is a fragrance that I love. It's something that my mom always wore, so it's very nostalgic for me. Has a little bit of a hint of orange zest in there. Also some eucalyptus. So it's really nice. It's not floral, but it's just a very fresh, very clean scent, but it doesn't smell like cleaning solution. So I definitely recommend checking this one out. And if you're worried about it going away, because Scentsy doesn't keep these Disney items in stock for very long, you could add it to a Scentsy Club subscription. More information on that can be found at Scentsy.com. Now we'll talk about the Scentsy Buddy. Now, Build-A-Bear had their own Build-A-Bear version of Baby Yoda, and they released it online. It sold out in minutes. What I really like about what Scentsy did with this is they allowed a pre-order, and that pre-order had an open period for a length of time where anybody could go in and pre-order their Baby Yoda Scentsy Buddies. I was lucky enough to get mine in pretty fast, so I got my Baby Yoda in the first shipment, but other people who pre-ordered will still be receiving theirs in the future, so they're getting them out as fast as they can. But the box is kind of where the magic starts. So as you can see on the side here, it's Baby Yoda's pram with Baby Yoda inside. That does repeat on the other side, but on the front, which becomes a carrying case, it has these perforated things, so a kid could potentially use this as a carrying storage case. But it has Baby Yoda's hand waving out of the box. And then on the other side, it's kind of upside down, but it has an artist rendering of what the plush looks like and a little bit more information about it inside. Let's open this up and meet our Baby Yoda. And the packaging is so easy. There's no tape or scissors or anything to remove. So it's literally just open the box, take out your plush, and enjoy it. Now, part of the hallmark of the Scentsy Buddy brand is usually this kind of corrugated material. They have used it very sparingly on Baby Yoda. It's really just around the collar and around the sleeves of his robe, which is very adorable. He is very soft and furry, almost feels like a Muppet. And then he has this really cool, almost like a knit pattern on the inside of his ears. The eyes are everything for Baby Yoda, and I feel like they really captured the spirit of the character in the eyes. Scentsy usually puts their branding on one of the foot, so on one of his little frog legs. There it is right there. And then again, this is a plush that you can put a scent pack inside. And so for Baby Yoda, you lift up the back of his tunic, has the little Scentsy Buddy logo there, and then there's this zippered compartment here. This is completely optional, but with the pre-order, it automatically came with the Air of Adventure as a beaded scent pack. So we'll open that up, put him in our Baby Yoda. And there is the scent pack. Now this again, it's like a little bean bag full of beads, and this is a lot more potent than the wax. So on first sniff, especially if you're sniffing it undiluted away from the plush, it smells a lot stronger. These aren't just for the Scentsy Buddies, by the way. A lot of people will buy them and use them in their closet or in like a sock drawer. I personally use these in my closet with some of my favorite Scentsy fragrances. But there's this compartment here, so you just stuff that inside. zip it up, and then the scent permeates throughout the plush. On some of the past ones that I've had, I've even been able to smell it like at the top of the head and in the bottom of the feet, even though the scent is really contained right here in the center of the buddy. And it is a very soft stuffed animal, great for cuddling. These could also be used for decoration. I know I have a couple porgs throughout the house just to celebrate our Star Wars fandom. It's fun to have porgs lying here and there, so Baby Yoda will definitely be a centerpiece item in our house, just for display purposes, but super cute, super cuddly. And again, the Baby Yoda right now, they've stopped the pre-sales. It's very possible that Scentsy will bring him back at some point. They had previously released a Darth Vader light up warmer and a Light Side of the Force Millennium Falcon warmer, and those sold out very quickly, and they brought them back fairly recently. They sold out again, but as with anything with Scentsy, if it's popular, it could come back in stock. Right now, you can get the Air of Adventure, the wax. You can add this to a Scentsy Club to guarantee it on a monthly or several month iteration subscription service so that you can always guarantee that you'll have this fragrance in your house. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and may the Force be with you. Bye.